In this video, I will show with you how to connect Google AI Studio with Stripe. So follow me in this video guide. First, go to this website or platform, click create this option. When you click create friends, just wait, you will see this page. When you click create auto this one workflow. After that, you will see this page. From here, select for action this option, action 2. Select Google AI Studio. Just await, click Google AI Studio, and then this action 1, you should be select a Stripe friends, a Stripe accounts, this one. After that, click this one, accounts from the Stripe, link your account of the Stripe. After that, from Google AI Studio, you can add your prompts here used by the pair, and then choose your account with Google AI. After that, friends, you can add a bridge from here, and then you can add another bridge, this for the pair. So guys, this is how you can do. Just connect your accounts from here, and then you'll be linked successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you. Write your email here, APAK on Google AI Studio.